Here we come to the elevator at the Automotive Center at Pima Community College in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Schindler 3100 MRL Traction elevator. Let's start by going down, since the front is busy. Let's get our cab view.
Please select your card while you will authorize you.
Down to 1. Capacity 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. Door close works, I like that. Let's listen to the traction motor. Schindler 3100. Bell does not ring when you push the button outside, so we're just gonna take it on one more ride, one more round trip. Really like the motor. Door close button works. I like that. Inspection certificate. ADA compliant phone built to the car station. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Let's watch the leveling. Very smooth. Almost as smooth as a Kona EcoDisc. Seat bell does not ring like the 330A and the 300A. Here it goes. And that's it.